Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick run through of how you can view our conference. So there are a couple different things that you can do through this. So when you first get on the platform on your homepage, it's going to look like this. And you're going to have this little menu bar over here on the left side. To view our conference, you're going to go ahead and click on the live stream. Of course, we don't have anything live right now, so I can't click on anything and show you, but as soon as you click on that, whatever is going live will pull up. The great thing about this is that it will just be a continuous live. So you won't have to go to the agenda and click on like the next session or anything. That's just going to be continuous live video. Over here, underneath live stream is the agenda. So this is just going to look a little bit different right now. You're only going to see the 3 days of the conference, but as you can see, you can click on each session and it'll have some more details. This is yoga. This is before our session, so you can see that this has the registration, etc. If I go back, you can just see that 9 a.m. to 9:05 is the conference welcome by the chairs, and the whole schedule is listed out. If there is a session in particular that you're wanting to tune into, something that I would recommend is clicking on it. So let's say, example, I want to make sure that I tune into this patient perspective. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I can actually hit bookmark here. So now what that's going to do is kind of save that. And if I scroll down in this menu bar, I can click on bookmarks, and that's going to show me that I saved that as something that I want to watch. So that's a great feature to take a look at there. And then also another thing that you can do, you can take notes. So say that there's, something going on in your presentation, you want to take notes, you can save all of your thoughts or comments here. You do have the opportunity to include a picture there as well. And then you can also go ahead and save this to your calendar. So whether that's through Gmail or Outlook, this is a great opportunity just to make sure you don't miss a session. So this will connect to whatever Gmail you have connected, and you can see it titles what that session is. And then I would just go ahead and click save. And now that's saved to my calendar. So I can go back and access that. You can also take a look at all of the speakers that we have presenting. So this is a list of our entire speakers. We will have full pictures here once the platform goes officially live, and you do have the opportunity to just click on each speaker and learn a little bit more about their bios. So that is how you will be able to watch the conference. We do have an opportunity here in resources. All of our presentations are going to be live and on demand. So if there is a session that you miss and you want to go back and see, all of the live and demand videos will be in this resources tab for your viewing later. So that is a little bit about how you can live stream the conference.